Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designer here and there. If you think that is something you'd be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. And today's lip combo is one I'm pretty sure I've used all of these products in the past. Yeah, I gotta go through my makeup collection so I can pull out some new lippies. But I'm using my super old e.l.f. retro lip liner. This is just the darkest brown that they had at the time. Then over top I'm using my Give Beauty liquid lipstick in camo. Love this, super pale, like nude. And then on top of that, I'm using my MAC lip gloss in see-through, you guys. And y'all, this combo, it is such a really pale nude lip, but that's kind of what I was going for. My under eye is a little bit brighter than normal because I use a different concealer and a different powder. I'm trying some things, so let me know if you like it, if it's a little too bright, but be polite in the comments, okay? But yeah, so that is my lip up today. Alright you guys, we are back with my Project Use It Up June finale. All the things that I have used up, some things that I have not. So if you guys are interested and want to see the things that I got through this month, then just keep watching. Alright you guys, so I got through some things. I definitely got through a few things, and then I have some things that I just didn't get through. But I told you in the video, if you hadn't already seen it, there are some things that I definitely was not trying to get through. I just wanted to make some usage out of it, some dents in my collection. And yeah, you guys, so that is what I did. So normally when I start off this video, I started off showing you everything that I used up. I'll go into the things that I didn't quite use up and things that I didn't touch at all if there's a case. But I did use some of everything this month, so there's literally nothing that I didn't touch. And I do know that some of these will be some roll arounds for July as well. Go ahead and start with the things that I used up already, which is some scrubs. So I did only put a scrub and a half in here. So this was a half a scrub that I had from May that I put in here. My next go around, I'm definitely putting 2 full scrubs in here because this ended up not being enough for me, and I end up using another half a scrub, but that's fine. That is in my empties if you guys are interested, so I will have that linked. But yeah, I did use up my Gingham Gorgeous scrub. I love the foaming bath scrub, so I was so happy to use this up. The other scrub I end up using up completely is my Pink's Cocoa Peach. I love this one as well. The scent can be a little weird, but peach sometimes can be just a weird scent in general, and it was starting to turn a lot more darker than it used to be, so that was the reason for me using it up. But I did like it, so I went ahead and used that. Use up all of the body washes that I put in here, which I think it was just 3. This first one is the Hemp Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon. So I use this one completely up. This is one that I probably wouldn't purchase again. I didn't really like the texture of it. It was really bright orange, which I don't know why, but that bothered me for some reason. And the scent was just okay. Let me smell it. Yeah, the scent was just okay. It wasn't the best pineapple scent I've ever had, so it was probably the weird melon which made it. But yeah, I'm glad I went ahead and used that up. So used up my bubblegum pop. Love this. I'm kind of regretting not picking a backup of this. If the body wash is still available the next time I go, I might pick up just one because I don't have any backups of this. I only had the one. And I said I wasn't trying to pick up a bunch of body washes and stuff, but I really was enjoying the scent of that, so I'm kind of regretting not getting that. As well as the strawberry soda. So yeah, I use this one up. This is one, I want to say I have another one in my collection. I think I found another one in my collection. It's not my favorite strawberry scent. It's a little bit more artificially in the actual body wash, but it's not like a horrible scent. but yeah, I wouldn't repurchase that scent. Finished up the Fiji Sunshine Guavatini lotion. I told y'all I had to cut it anyway. It wasn't that much left, but yeah, I end up using all of this up. I just needed to get it out of my collection. And I actually did never show you guys this in my fragrance combos. I don't think I've ever showed you guys this, but I was mainly using this like on my feet at night and stuff like that, because it is pretty old. It's from 2020. It didn't smell bad or anything like that, but it was yellowing, and y'all know these go bad sometimes pretty early on. So for me to have had this for almost 5 years, it was time to go. So I only put this like on my feet. And I also used up the mini of the Midnight Blue Citrus, so I use this completely up. I do like this scent more so as a like home fragrance scent. I feel like this smells a little bit more unisex to me. On me, I don't love it, but I can, you know, get through it. So I did go ahead and use that up, and I told you guys I have a full size of that, so that's why I needed to use it up. And then the last thing I ended up using up was my Fiji Sunshine Guavatini. This is also really old. This is from 2021. It was nothing wrong with the scent or anything like that. I got with this pretty often. I don't remember seeing it this year. Someone let me know if this one came out for 2025. I don't remember seeing it. I feel like I would have seen it at SAS and I didn't, but it is a really nice scent. It's very guava heavy, very tropical, and I do like it. And this is one that I would revisit in the future, but again, I didn't see it this year. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys the things that I didn't quite get through, which I did use everything this month, but I just didn't get through all of these, and some of them I didn't want to. So the first thing is the SPF 20. This one, I told you guys, no matter what, she's not going back into my collection. I'm using her up this year. I use her mainly on the bottom half of my body, like my legs and stuff like that. Y'all, I got a really good tan. I don't think y'all can. Ooh, can you see that, y'all? I got a tan, and I'm so happy about my tan. But anyways, I use this mainly on the bottom half of my body, and then up top I have another sunscreen that I be using, only because this one is old, right? It's from 2022, so I don't know how well this SPF is holding up, but yeah, so I still use this one. I did use a nice amount. This goes in my pool bag. I know you guys said you wanted to see like a pool bag essential or something like that. I am going to get that done, but the past 2 weeks has been really hectic over here, so it hasn't really been a priority. I'm definitely going to work on this for next week, as well as I'm going to work on like my summer videos, like my Bath and Body Works summer fragrances and my perfume fragrances, because I know I've been kind of slacking with that, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and work on that. But yeah, I'm definitely putting this back into rotation for July. I know this will be done with July. They do have a lot of like the SPFs on sale right now for SAS. If anyone is interested, I think that I would get them again. And actually the scent, I don't know, I'm kind of liking the scent a little bit better than I did at first. But yeah, so I didn't finish that, but she's gonna go into my July project, as well as I didn't finish, my Cocoa Peach body butter. So I did get a nice little amount used, as you can see. I haven't decided if I'm gonna put this one back in my project, but I feel like I probably need to. And this is one I've been wearing more so on my feet a lot of the times. I do put this on my skin sometimes though. Like every now and again I'll put it on my arms if I'm going for that peach scent. I haven't been wearing peach as much as I thought I was going to wear it this month, so that's why I haven't used it. I really thought I was going to be able to get through this, but we might put her back into rotation for July. I'm not sure yet. All right, then we have Skylar. This is Boardwalk Delight. I don't remember if I told you guys like what I was trying to do with this, but I'm totally okay with not using it up. I do like this scent. I love it. This is one I would repurchase time and time again. It smells really, really good. I would probably only purchase it on sale because it's pretty expensive. I think it's $25 not on sale. So yes, it's not a lot, but $25 for a 2.7 that's a lot. So I would probably only get this when it's on sale, but I do really like this scent, and I'm okay with not using it up. All right, another scent that I didn't use up, which I thought I would use it a lot more, but again, I just wasn't wearing peach as much as I thought, was my Zesty Peach from Bath and Body Works. And it is to here, so I used a little bit, but not a lot, not enough that, you know, I thought I was going to use. So I'm unsure what we're going to do with that one as well. One that is going back into the collection, but I love, and there was no chance that I wanted to use it up. This was my Summer Melody. So I just used a little bit of the cream. I feel like like the creams, you only need a little bit. So I feel like it takes me so long to get through these, but you have to really like power through. So yeah, I love this scent. I did use it, but as you can see, it's actually a little bit under this line, so it's probably like right to here. So I probably need to change that, but yeah, it's like down to here. And then here is the spray. It was brand new, and again, I wasn't trying to use it up, but I did love this scent a lot. Like, I wore this one down, but you just can't tell because I do use all of this stuff during the month. I try to be consistent using all of this stuff, but I also still have other things on my dresser that I pull for as well. Other body spray works musk a lot this month. This is a brand new bottle, and although she was not in my project, I used her a lot. So, you know, I use other things, but I try to get through these as, you know, as much as I can. So I'm okay with not using that because it's my last scent. I don't have any more. The thing I made significant progress on that is probably a little bit under the line now is the bubblegum pop. So here's the line. It's like halfway done, and I'm actually looking at it and it looks a little bit under that line, but we're just gonna leave it at halfway. Y'all, I just knew I was gonna finish this one because I loved it so much. I literally was wearing this 3 to 4 times a week, and it's just so refreshing. Like, it has this really cute, sweet, pink bubblegum type of scent note, but it also has some citrus in it, so I enjoy this one a lot. So I didn't use this one up. I'm unsure if I'm putting back into my collection or what we're gonna do. I just got to see what I'm pulling out for July. And then the very last fragrance that I didn't quite get through, but I got through a lot of the lotion. This is Strawberry Soda, and I was wearing this a lot with I think I didn't show you guys this, but I was wearing it a lot with like my Skylar. I was wearing it sometimes I would wear it with, what is this, like the musk one. I was just wearing this one a lot, and this is also one that I was putting a lot on my bottom half of my body and my feet and stuff. Like, I really try to get through these creams, but this one I might put this one back in as well because I just want to like use this up. Like, I don't want to keep putting so many half used body creams in my collection. But yeah, I think I did really well with this. And the spray, I just didn't use the spray as much. I don't know, I like the cream a little bit better than the spray for some reason. I don't know why. Like, I do like the spray, but I was just using the cream way more and using other stuff with the cream as well, because like I said, I was using this a lot with it, even though I wasn't showing you guys that. And it was something else I was using with it, I can't remember. But yeah, you guys, that is it. Those are all of the things that I got through for June. This video might be going up. I'm trying to get a better like time frame of putting this video up and recording, because technically I still have 5 or 6 more days left in June, but because I'm not filming on the weekend like I normally do, or on the Friday like I normally do, I'm not going to be able to get this video up in time. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye guys.